Are you looking for a great core exercise that doesn't jeopardize your low back? I'm Dr. Evan Schwinn, and today we're going to review the wall bug. The wall bug is a variation of the dead bug. So if you're first wondering what the heck's a dead bug, go take a look at one of our other videos where we dive more in depth into that. The wall bug variation is going to be utilizing a wall that we're going to push our hands up against to force our core to engage. This can be a great regression if you're really struggling to not expand and open scissor your lower back, like when we were doing the dead bug, or if you just in general really want to be focusing on building a strong core and focusing your movements on your legs. Perhaps you're a lower body athlete and you notice that you've had more issues with your lower back when you're playing that sport. This is what it's going to look like. All right, you're going to get yourself on a nice, firm, flat surface, pushing up against a wall here. So, you're going to probably be somewhere about a foot away from the wall. You'll figure out what seems reasonable to you. This should never be a painful situation at all. Your shoulder should be, or your elbow should be about shoulder width apart. Of course, if you have any sort of shoulder dysfunctions, you can modify it accordingly. So we're going to get into our bent hip and knee position, nice and neutral, low back on the ground. Just like in our other videos, you can use a towel underneath there too if you need a little bit more stimulation to keep your low back down. Push your hands against the wall as hard as you can. What that does is it pushes my body down and forces me to engage my core. So again, if you're noticing that you're having a hard time because your ribs are flaring and your low back is coming up and you have back pain doing, say, the dead bug, this wall bug might just be your trick. Pushing in there and now bringing my leg down. Nice and slow. Alternating sides. You're going to look to do this until technical failure. So once you start to realize that your lower back is giving or your core is burnt out just before that point, that's a great time to stop. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching.